Now coming to stanza number 1. Stanza number 1 is, as a white candle in a holy place, so is the beauty of an aged face. Stanza comprehension. Stanza number 1, you have to write it shortly. You have to give heading of questions. Then question number 1, what figure of speech has been used in these lines? Figure of speech. There are figure of speeches which poets used in their poetry. The figure of speeches are simile, metaphor, personification, imagery, irony. So in this poem, which figure of speech has been used in these lines? A simile has been used in the lines, the beauty of an old woman has been compared to a white candle placed in a shrine. Shrine means a place for worship, ibadat ki jagah. So, in the first stanza, a simile has been used for the beauty of an old woman. It is the beauty of an old woman is compared to a white candle placed in a holy place or placed in a shrine. Question number 2. What, according to the poet, is the similarity between a candle and an old woman? So, what is the similarity between candle and old woman? The similarity between a candle and old woman is that the lighted candle lends light and beauty to the holy place where it burns. In the same way, an old woman adds beauty to the home where she resides. So the similarity between candle and old woman is that as old woman is the similarity between a candle and old woman is that the lighted candle रोशन मोमबत्ती lends light रोशनी देती है and beauty और ख़ूबसूरती देती है to the holy place. एक जलती हुई मोमबत्ती एक जगह को ख़ूबसूरती देती है और वहाँ रोशनी पैदा करती है to the holy place, मुक़द्दस मकाम में, where it burns, जहाँ पर वो जलती है. In the same way, इसी तरह an old woman adds beauty to the home where she resides. इसी तरह एक बूढ़ी औरत जिस घर में रहती है उस घर को खूबसूरती देती है. Where she resides, जहाँ पर वो रहती है. Coming to question number 3. What does aged face stand for? Aged face stand for. What is the meaning of aged face? Aged face stand for the face of an old woman. Aged face का मतलब है the face of an old woman. Question number 4. What is the name of the poem and the poet? The name of the poem is The Old Woman, while the name of the poet is Joseph Campbell. Stanza number 2. Her brood gone from her, and her thoughts as still as the waters under a ruined mill. Stanza number 3. Her brood, and then you have to write mill. You have to write stanza number 3 shortly. Then you have to give heading of questions. Question number 1. Who has gone from the old woman? Her children have gone from the old woman. Her children have gone their own way on becoming grown up. So, who has gone from the old woman? Children have gone from the old woman. उसके बच्चे उसको छोड़कर चले गए हैं. Her children have gone their own way. उसके बच्चे अपने अपने रास्तों पर चल पड़े हैं. On becoming grown up, जैसे ही वो बड़े हुए वो अपने अपने रास्तों पर निकल पड़े. Question number 2. Why are her thoughts still? Her thoughts are still because she has been left alone by her children. Why her thoughts are still? उसके ख़यालात क्यों साकिन हैं? There is no movement in her thoughts because her children has left alone her. Question number 3. What figure of speech has been used in these lines? A simile has been used in these lines. The simile is, in old age, the old woman becomes as passive and inactive as the water of ruined mill. So, the use of simile is, so the old woman becomes as passive and inactive as the water of ruined mill, as there is constant water in a ruined mill. Ruined mill means a place which is inoperative because it is ruined. Question number 4. What does the word brood means? The word brood means children.